Just a reminder that all proceeds from our YouTube channel are donated to charity. Please help us help others by giving us a thumbs up or subscribing to our channel. Your support makes a difference. Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we're at one of our favorite locations in the world, Blowing Rock, North Carolina. And as you can see, it is a lovely day here today. Blowing Rock is a charming town located in the Blue Ridge Mountains, or the high country of North Carolina. Over the course of several videos, we will tour some of the rooms at this new location, tour the restaurant with you, along with showing you menus and some of what we've eaten, let you know what we think the hits and misses are of this new hotel and restaurant, answer our subscribers' questions, and of course, all the time, give you some tips. So let's get to it. The next in our series of videos will be a walkthrough of a standard king room, room number 215 at the Embers Hotel. The room is private from the hallway, and one thing we noticed throughout the entire Embers Hotel is that inside the rooms and hallways, it is very quiet. The construction is solid with quiet floors and windows and walls that seem to block outside noise very well. First, let's give you an overview walkthrough of the room, and then we'll give you details of each area. As you enter, the bathroom is on the right with a full-length mirror opposite. Around the corner from the bathroom is your closet and storage area, a king-size bed, and a large, flat-screen smart television and a desk at the foot of the bed. You will not have a balcony in this room, and this is probably why this is a standard king room and not a higher level room. Due to the L-shaped construction of the hotel, you will be looking out onto fellow hotel guests' balconies, and they can easily be looking into your room. There are manually operated pull-down shades in the room if you need additional privacy. And there is a fabric occasional chair in the corner next to the bed. First, let's take a look at the storage area. Every king room has a similar area like this with really only slight variations. Here you'll find these hooks made of stones that really reflect the local environment of the North Carolina high country, and we just love these. You'll find your Ely Nespresso maker, and below that Nespresso maker are drawers, a shelf, and a cubby to put whatever you may want to grab for your days out exploring. The well-lit closet is against the wall with a single rolling barn door, and inside you'll find a shelf with an extra blanket and a clothes steamer and your robes. There are USB-A, USB-C, and US outlets on each side of the bed for your convenience, and each side of the bed has its own separately operated light. The areas beside the beds are different in many king rooms at the Embers. Some have nightstands, and some only have shelves, and some have one of each. This particular room has on one side of the bed a nightstand with 3 drawers, and the other side has a small shelf like we've seen in many contemporary or European hotels that want to maximize space. At the foot of the bed is a desk. The smart television is on a swivel and has streaming and cable available. Below the television are Ethernet, USB-A, USB-C, US, and HDMI outlets. There are 2 drawers at the desk. The top is a pull-out refrigerator, and it's not a minibar, and this refrigerator is large enough for beverages and food items. A bottle of wine will fit in here. In the drawer below that is a large safe, and this safe is definitely large enough to accommodate a full-size laptop, tablets, phones, and any other valuables you may have. Privacy in the bathroom is assured via a rolling barn door. The bathroom is well lit with one sink and a large granite countertop. There is a lighted magnifying mirror in every bathroom, including this one. The fixtures throughout the bathroom are oil rub bronze, And the shower itself is lovely with a rain shower head as well as a handheld option. And if you've watched our channel, you definitely know that we do not like shower curtains, and we love the shower doors on this shower. Honestly, we love the floors and the entries to these showers as much as we love the shower design itself. Toiletries are by Grown Alchemist, developed in Australia, but we know is a New York Fashion Week favorite. Our opinion is that this is a very affordable hotel room for the level of quality, the hotel location, with an on-site restaurant and bar. At the time we filmed this, rates start at $200 per night. Considering the other options in Blowing Rock, you would not be disappointed, and we highly recommend it. At this time, the things we feel are lacking are minor, like a general lack of artwork in the halls and rooms, but we feel this will be corrected over time. Personally, we suggest adding local photography with QR code information about the images' locations in the North Carolina high country, such as these photos taken by a local photographer while we were hiking at Grandfather Mountain. So if this room interests you, our advice is to call and request this room. We'll put the phone number to the Embers Hotel in the notes below. While we can't guarantee that you'll get this room, it doesn't hurt to ask for it. Check out our other videos of this lovely hotel for more ideas and detailed walkthroughs of different types of rooms. We love this location because it is so central to the things we like to do in the North Carolina high country. And the last thing that we really love about this hotel, and we'll get to this in more detail in future videos, is that it has a restaurant on site. And it's a restaurant that we have truly enjoyed. Well, that's it for now. Look for tours of other rooms at this new hotel, a review of our dining experiences, our opinion on the hits and misses with some tips, and then we'll get to our subscribers' questions. So please give us a thumbs up or subscribe, and remember that we donate all profits from social media to charity. And always remember to make meaningful and healthy travel happen, and we'll see you next time.